It's been a pleasure to review some of the blog sites. Just a quick message around next steps for you. The blog sites are quite interesting to read. Remember, it's first person, very conversational style. It's not an essay. But do use essay style in terms of in-text citations. Make sure there's references at the end, but you can also include, many of you did, include embedded hyperlinks, and keeping the hyperlinks inserted into or embedded into text makes it easier for screen readers to adapt and adjust. Include the URL hyperlink if you, in the references within APA, you do retrieved from and then the hypertext link. And make sure that's an active link, not just a string of text, so that the readers can use that to actually go and see the reference that you've sourced. We have a variety of platforms being used. It's nice to see some WordPress and some Weebly users along with the other bloggers that are there. I am looking for a page and a post. If I haven't seen it, I'm going to suggest that you create. And also see about creating another page that may be a nice repository for a rich information that you want to collect and store for future reference. Next steps for me, I will post the list of your blog sites and the links to this first blog post that you've created so that you can take a look at each other's posts, knowing that you're all in the same place in terms of being a new blogger. And you can learn from each other's examples. There's lots that you can learn from seeing how other people are thinking and doing and code breaking as they go along. In future, in a couple of weeks, you'll be adding comments to each other's blogs. And I know that my intention is to add a comment to your blogs in the coming weeks as well. And I will let you know that I have every intention of sharing your blog site once you've blogged a few more times. I'll share it with a select group of Ontario educators who are currently blogging as professionals and have them take a peek at it and make some comments on your blogs as well. So be prepared for that in kind of week 8, 9, 10, where that will happen. Continue to model and showcase a professional presence in this blog site, and continue to read and look at other educators' blog sites. Linked from the course site, there's a nice group of Ontario and Canadian bloggers that you might take a look at to get some ideas and see how they write and what topics they're writing about. It's really good. The more you read, the more you can build your own skill set and that prior knowledge, and then you can use that to help you tinker and play and develop and build that blog site into something that you'll be proud of at the end of the course. So looking forward to it. Lots of good learning happening, and I appreciate your efforts. Keep code breaking, keep making sense of it all, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions about your blogging.